Jacques Foltrades here. Let me show you how to increase the size of drive C, where your Windows is, from any other partition from the same disk. In our case, that's F. So what we want to do is we want to increase this one, taking space from here. So how to do it? Let's right click on the start menu here, disk management. And this is our disk. We have C and we have F. So let's try shrinking this one. So we take some space from it and add it to drive C. Right click, shrink volume, and then let's go with the default size, which is the maximum we can take. So we have 28 gigs of unallocated space here. Let's try to extend this volume. If we click on F, you can see here we can extend, but if we go on C, this is grayed out. And this is because the space, unallocated space, has to be adjacent to C. It has to be right here in the middle between those two. So how to do that? We have to create a new drive from this one, move the things that are in this drive right now, right here, move them here, and then delete this drive and put it here. Does that make sense? Let me show you how to do it. Let's make a new drive. And guys, very important here, if you get an error that says the drive will be converted to a dynamic drive and then gives you an error, click on the video below, which will teach you how to solve that issue so you can go ahead and create a new volume. But let's get back to this one. So we choose everything as default, quick format, go finish, and we have this new drive here. So what we have to do now is we have to move the files. So we have one game here in F. We have to move the files from here in this new drive. This is if you only have those, let's say those 3 drives here. If you have other drives, you can also use a flash drive, SD card, whatever. You can move the files there temporarily and then move them back. But in our case, let's say we only have these 3 partitions, one drive. How to do it? Let's move the files from drive F. That would be right click, cut, or Control and X on your keyboard. Go to the new volume and let's paste it here. We'll be right back after this is completed. Alright guys, almost done here, 5 seconds left. Let's wait it out and I'll show you what to do next. There we have it. So we have moved all the files from this F drive to the new drive we created. Let's say we want to extend this drive because it's almost full, and when drive C, where the Windows is almost full, there's a lot of problems. You get prompts here, your drive is almost full, you can't download anything, temporary files have nowhere to go, and so on and so on. Let's get back to disk management. I would even close it and open it again just in case. Right click, disk management, just to make sure it refreshes. Now this is now the new drive we created, which is drive N, and then we have drive F. Let's right click here and delete this volume. What's going to happen is we're going to have it between C and N now, and what we can do is let's right click C, extend volume. Now we have this option here. Let's extend it by the full amount, go next and finish. And there you have it, guys. Let's refresh here. 38 free of 81. This is the new drive with the game. I'm Jacques Foltrades. Please subscribe to this channel and I'll see you guys in the next one.